Dear friends, today let us see how to complete the two-step verification in YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube. So this is the YouTube. So I am going to my YouTube channel. In that, go to YouTube Studio. So this is the dashboard. So in the dashboard, just go to monetization. So this is the dashboard, channel monetization. So 1000 required subscribers. I have 1050 subscribers. So eligible. Then 0 active community guideline strike. Ineligible if you have active strike. So that also okay. So 4000 public watch hours required. So in this I have 356 public watch hours. Now let us complete this process, two-step verification. Click turn on now. So turn on two-step verification. You will be redirected to Google Security to turn on two-step verification for your account. This will help protect your account from being hacked or compromised. Once you have completed this process, you will be directed back to YouTube. Click continue. Now see Gmail account. You need to enter which Gmail account you want to go. Right, actually my Gmail account is this. Okay, so for this particular Gmail account I have that YouTube channel. So I have entered the password, then click next. So two-step verification, use your phone as your second step to sign in. Okay, so I have used a Galaxy Note 8 phone. So click continue. So once you use your phone as a second step to sign in, after you enter your password, Google prompts and securely sent to every phone where you are signed in. Just tap the notification to review and sign in. Okay, click continue. So change this phone. Okay, so how do you want to get codes? Text message. Click send. Google just send a text message with a verification code to this number. Enter the code. So I'm going to the phone, checking the message. Yes, I received the message. So let me enter this text message received. Sorry. Enter only the number 7381. Now click next. Okay, turn on two-step verification. Google prompt default, voice or text message. You will stay signed into this Gmail ID and also mobile device. Okay, you might be signed out of your other devices. To sign back in, you will need your password and second step. Okay, click turn on. Okay, now this two-step verification is active. So now the tick mark has come, right? Now in order to get monetized in this channel, I need more public watch hours. That is the only requirement. Out of 4 requirements, basic requirements, I have met first requirement 1000 subscribers, I have exceeded that. Second requirement 2-step verification, that is active, so this is also okay. Now 0 active community guidelines tag, that is also okay. Now only pending is for monetization is 4000 public watch hours required. So presently I have 356 public watch hours. I request all the viewers to support me in getting this public watch hours, which is 4000 required. Thank you so much for watching. So now you can just this is this channel, what you call monetization page. Now you can go to dashboard, right? So this is the dashboard. Okay. Now if you want, you can just log it out, right? Sign out, right? Or you can go to your channel, right? So this is the channel. Okay, so this is my channel. Today's topic is, so this is my channel, right? Thank you friends, hope you understood how to complete this 2-step verification in YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.